Today, I'm going to teach you about a new platform that is Learn and Practice Excel through a website called as Excel Practice Online. So once you click on the browser Excel Practice Online, the first website that you get to see, click on it, and it's going to take you to a page wherein there's going to be a simulation with instructions, and these instructions will help you to learn particular concepts. Now at the bottom you'll get to see various hyperlinks which will enable you to learn different areas. So it could be sum and other such formulas. Now they're going to teach you first how to exactly do it, and then you're going to practice it when you scroll down. So they're going to give you a task and you're supposed to do it following their above instructions. So this is so cool and you will learn a lot from this. So similarly, you can go from the basic to the advanced. Also, you're going to be able to do it from directly to the advanced level also. Only thing that you need to remember is there is no certificate, but it's something that you can practice and learn. And you have to bear with the ads, because that is how they are enabling free website, because they are able to get revenue from the ads. Thank you.